Good morning, everyone. Hi, hi. Uh,
Good morning.
Good morning, good morning. I hope you start your day in a good way. And sorry for the delay. Okay, so I've typed the topic of today's discussion in the chat box, which is marketing with selling. So yeah, I wanted us to talk about the differences between marketing oriented mindset in a marketing oriented mind in a business versus selling mind. And I think there are differences between marketing and selling, and I wanted us to just point those differences out and see how we can have think more marketing, have a more marketing style in our business, because I think the difference here is that in marketing you pay more attention to customer and how to answer the needs of the market. But when you are selling something, it means that you um, mm, made something, you made a product and you produced something, and now you are trying to sell it and you are trying to find your market and everything. But for marketing is different. I think it's first you you analyze the market, and you kind of try to search about what are people's needs and demands and everything, and what people want, and then you try to produce a product based on that. So it's kind of different. There is a difference between marketing and selling, I can say. And something else I can say is that I think marketing is a plan for a um, long term plan. But selling is something short term. You have something, you want to sell it, you find your customers, and I think customer satisfaction is not a priority when you are selling. You just want to sell your product no matter what. But in marketing, and your priority is customers satisfaction, how much your customer is satisfied, what you can do to make your product, your service better. So you um, increase the satisfaction of your customers, and you pay attention to what you can do to have loyal customers, to the ones that will come back to you and do the business with you again. So I think the main thing that in marketing you pay attention is your clients and customers. And no matter it's you are selling a product, you're offering a service, anything, it's all of them. I can say that's a product. Even as a service, something you are selling, anything by the eye of the customer is a product that you are trying to sell. So and it's not I cannot say that they're completely different, because I think the aim and the goal of marketing is to increase the sale, and is to increase it's to expand your market and your customers, and increase the sales that your company is having. So they are not completely different, but I think for a company to be successful and reach their goals, it's important to pay attention to marketing and have a marketing point of view instead of a selling point of view. And I think it's the marketing, it shouldn't be excluded, shouldn't be limited to just one department. You should, I think, for example, your company has a marketing department. It shouldn't be only that department job. I think a good marketing is when all the staff, all the people that are working for that company are have that marketing mind, and they try to move the company forward to their goal. So I think when a marketing is successful, that all the departments, all the staff in the company try to participate in the marketing part and have that mindset on them. So yeah, I think it was what the purpose that I had this topic for today was that to once again emphasize on the importance of customer satisfaction and the importance of realizing customer needs and demands and wants, and try to design your product, design your services in a way that increase the customer satisfaction. So I think if you want to have a successful business, you have to your main focus has to be on customers and their satisfaction. And I think one of the thing that make that happen, make that increase in customer satisfaction is for your company to add value to your customers. They feel something by using your products or services. It's sometimes, values in marketing has different are in different areas. And I studied this in university. Again, there are different types of values that you can add to your customers, like price value, like performance value, emotional value, and all of these. And it's important that nice what kind of value you want to add to your customers. You want to create an emotional value for your customers, or you are defeating on the price value part. You want to that means that the price of your product is in a way that the customer prefers you to the other companies. So yeah, it's a little off topics, I can say, but what I wanted to say is that you have to try to add something, add a value to your customers, so they return that value, and they will be loyal to you, and they will come back to you. So by doing that, it leads to having customer satisfaction. Yes, that's what I thought this topic is about, and I wanted to share and hear your thoughts and ideas. So if anyone wants to go ahead and share something, you're welcome.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning, Noah.
Okay. So for me, I can say marketing, just like how you mentioned earlier, it involves more understanding your customer needs, and it's about the customer satisfaction. It's about you building your brand. That's all about marketing. So if I can come with this example here, it's Moracle. Initially, I can say when Moracle started, it's like they were only focusing on preparing accounts here. So, but with time, Moracle come up with something like what to have an accountancy formula, which of course it's the 6 stages. It's like we are building a brand. So whenever we have a customer that or a client that say visit the office and say, oh, you know what's more like this, and this, more like we categorically know that, okay, you know what, this is the service that I need to provide for this client. By the issue, the problem that you're having, then you categorize, you say, okay, you know what, I'll do the stage 1 for you. Or based on your explanation, because he has already built the brand. The brand is the Moracle, the 6 stages, the accountancy formula for Moracle. So like he believes that in providing these services, and then it will fulfill the needs of these customers that we have, or the clients that are coming. you might come that, oh, you know what, I want to analyze my profit. So, and more like we just say, okay, you know what, let's do management accounts and value added for you, because like he has already built the brand. So more about marketing is about you building the brand and the reputation of your organization, your company. So you see, and it's also again about you building something like a long-term relationship. You know, if you are building a long-term relationship, it's, you know, that, oh, this is something that will last for long. Like it's a market, you're doing something and you know what, I can provide for you this service. And then you allow, or you ensure that the service that you are providing is efficient and it's effective. So that's what marketing is all about. You create a long-term relationship, and then also you are creating value. Okay, for me, I can say when we have some clients here that have been with us for more than 10 years. Yeah, they're here at Moracle. It's because the brand is here. We have already market to them our brand, which of course the accountancy formula that I mentioned earlier on. So, but the only thing I can say about marketing is like, you know, it's very time consuming. You know, it takes a lot of patience in terms of you having the required result. Because if you are very anxious about the market, you know, you're trying to do things as fast as you can. No, marketing does not work like that. It takes time for you to hit the target, for you to have the targeted results, and for you to have that customer base. So you need to have been there for a very long time, and then you should also be able to identify specific needs of your client, the ones that are coming in. So whilst now for selling, I can say it involves more of you offering your product to people, irrespective of, like, you are persuading individuals. Oh, this, I have a product. Can you please, you know, you make a publicity, even though in marketing also they are doing it. But more of selling is about you, like you try to persuade this individual, even though you think you might, you know, that maybe what I want to offer, they are not in need of them, but you want, because you want the profit at that moment, you want to sell, you need sales. So you try all possible means for you to generate immediate revenue, for you to have immediate income. So you give all sorts of feedback, you know, every now and then you try to connect, because all what you're seeking is for you to have sales. So it, like, you involve indirectly, you're offering a service. The moment that I meet with you and then I say, oh, you know what, I just don't want to know anything. What I am care about is about me selling to you my product, the product that I have. It's like you trying to persuade individuals, you persuade people. I want to make an example, just like the Ponzi scheme, the way people are doing the Ponzi. You know, when they're doing the Ponzi scheme, I can just meet you, you know what, I have this thing, please, can you come on board? If for instance, if you purchase 5, by the end of the month, they will turn it to 10. You know, this Ponzi, the way of doing things. So that's the way of selling, like you're selling the product to individuals. So it's like you are generating cash immediately because you need profits, and then you provide feedback from the customers that you have, you know. So all of these things, but more about, like, for market and for selling, the for me, I can say most of the disadvantages that they have is like, you know, it's mainly basically based on your individual skill set, you know. And then it's like it's not like it's a long-term process, just like how marketing is. It's like a short-term thing. So these are some of the disadvantages or the difficulties of selling. You know, you know that, oh, you that kind of forcing in terms of doing it, you want, in irrespective of the way the person is, you all what you care about is for you to sell. And another thing again is all about you it's not like you are building a long-term relationship. All what I care about, I've sold my goods to you, then you pay me my money and I go my own way. Whilst in marketing now, you are building a brand. You want to do something for long run. You want to build, like, you want to build with the person. So for me, this is my own take on this topic. Thank you.
Thank you. No, thank you for your contribution. Yes, yes. As you were saying, marketing is a long-term thing. You are trying to have a long-term relationship with your customers. It's not just like selling that you want to sell your thing, have your money, and go back. The focus is on customers and customer needs, and yes, it needs patience, and it's something that will take a long time. Thank you. So thank you for your contribution. Yes, Morla, you can go ahead. Thank you.
Yeah, good morning again. What I want to add to all what you've just said, I think marketing is based on research. In a sense, it's like you research the market, what your potential opponents, right, or competitors, what they are offering at the moment. It's like you research the market and you try to come up with a product that like will be in a very high or good quality than your opponent. It's like you researching the market, find the weaknesses of your competitors, and you come up with a good stuff, right? You come up with a product or services that potential customers will love to buy, right? And wise, as Noah have just said, in terms of selling, it's like you want to raise the money at all costs. You're not looking at repetition. You're not looking at like capturing the market space for a very long period. It's like you just want that quick money coming, you sell your product, right? In some extent, you can even greenwash your customers that, oh, this product is this. It's like, I mean, giving false impression about your product just because you want to sell them and you sell them out. Then I believe good marketing is based on research. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, Morla. Thank you for contribution. Okay, anyone else wants to go ahead and share? I would like to hear from those who didn't participate in a long time. I want to hear their voices, hear their thoughts and ideas. So anyone is welcome to share what they think about this topic, even a quick participation. Anyone? Okay, if no one else wants to add anything to our discussion, maybe we can end our session for today. Thank you for being here, and thank you for participating. Thanks.